Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today I'm working on a deflector for the top of my Western MVP3. That's why I'm taking this thing apart. First off, I guess the rubber here, this is the same rubber that I put on my old Unimount. I really liked it, so I went and got some more. Again, I got an 8-foot piece because of the V-plow. These sides are actually less than 4 feet each wing. On an 8.6 anyway. Your 9.6, you're probably gonna be longer than that. But on this 8.6, an 8-foot roll of this was all I needed. So then I trimmed it down. I just clamp them on a surface to kind of keep them steady. Then take the Sawzall and I cut it, try to follow a line that I put on there, a straight line. So I got my rubber flap here all ready. Well, I got to size anyway. Then I got some hold downs. This stuff here, some thick pieces of aluminum. This stuff's been floating around in our steel piles since the beginning of time, seems like. So I figured that now's the time to use it. I thought the aluminum would go good with the stainless, but I may eventually paint this. We'll see how it goes. But anyway, had to drill holes in it all the way down because I'm just using the original bolts that hold the mold board in place. I'm not drilling any new holes in the plow, and I think Western uses these same holes when they put their factory, because I think you can get a factory one. But anyway, once I got my aluminum piece all done, I actually laid it across my rubber piece and marked all my holes. I drilled my holes out, 3/8 drill bit. Just just a 3/8 drill bit, and it does fine here. So So I'm getting ready to assemble these. I've actually got to use new longer bolts because everything's so dang thick. This rubber is pretty thick. Okay, so there it is, all bolted on, and it's a deflector. Like I said, I'm not sure I'm going to keep those pieces aluminum or not. I got a few holes from whatever this was before, but actually I only got 2 holes. And they're almost in the same exact spot each side. But if I ever paint it, I'll just fill them holes up. But yeah, I like it. I think it's going to do the job. I should have gone maybe like an inch wider. Maybe, I'm not sure. I mean, it's going to deflect, you know, I think no matter what size it is, but like I said, I got the same as I got for this plow. This plow, it sticks out a little further because it's not so far back. I guess because I got it, there's so much more plow here coming backwards that it only left like 5 inches or whatever to overhang, but I think we'll be okay. If I ever get another flat, maybe I'll get maybe a little wider one. But I haven't put it in scoop mode. I don't think these are gonna touch, I don't think. Well, I guess I gotta clearance that. They are coming together, so to figure out a way to cut these. Don't really want to take them off, but we'll see here. So that's better. Got my grinder out, cut her off, got to clean it up a little bit. A little smoky in here now, but I like it. It's a little close right here, but again, I don't think that's going to move a whole lot. I don't know why it looks like it's less room here than there is over here. I don't know why, but I want to add one more thing to this deflector, and I got a little plate right here, and I'll show you what I'm going to do with this. Okay, so there's the plate I just showed you, and here's a decal, an MVP3 decal. So my idea is I'm going to paint this black, and then once it's all cured up, I'm going to put the MVP3 decal on there, and then I'm going to bolt this with little stainless bolts to my deflector. I think that'll give it a unique look. I think Western has a flap with the MVP3 on it. I think it's terribly expensive. This was just, I had the steel, put some time into it. This decal was $5 or $6, I think. So I don't have much in it. I think it's gonna look kind of neat. So next time you see this, I'll have my decal on there. It'll be black, and I'll be bolting it on my deflector. Well, there it is, guys. All mounted up. I like it. It's kind of like an industrial look, and actually it kind of mimics the look of my bumper and my grill with the stainless bolts around it. Will this hold up? I don't know. It's on a rubber flap, but this rubber flap is pretty thick, so I guess, I don't know, we'll see. I like it, guys. I think it turned out real good. I'm little hesitant, thinking maybe they weren't wide enough, but I like it. You can see the plow has got snow on it. We had some snow, and yeah, it kept the snow from going over the blade. Got some real good stacking action, so yeah, I like it. It turned out real nice, and I didn't spend a fortune on the Western stuff, and I still have a little bit of a custom touch here, so I'm happy with it. I guess that's gonna do it for this one, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I'll see ya.